Yan, hello po. Ito, good afternoon, good evening. Ito ang ating recipe today. On with, I don't know the name, but this a mushroom. And then meat with black pungus, celery, and then water chestnut. This one is per. I put the eggs. Yan, po tayo ng eggs. 3 eggs for the yan, ng eggs. Per egg. Yan, egg. Wala pala akong picture.